Hey guys, welcome back to the Tropical Glitz Flashtime Challenge. So on these panels, they're gonna be using one of three techniques. These balloons will reveal the techniques that these guys are gonna use. I hope it's something that you regret. Woo! Javi, come on down. Let's see what you get. What?
No,
You don't like?
No, this is in the bag, I guess.
Before I came over here, you showed us a gesture. Can you show the camera that gesture again?
How's here, look? You know where the win is? Right here in my pocket.
Last time I wanted to be fun. I said I was 1,000% confident. I was just in one of those moves. I totally took the L. This time I'm just in the zone. I'm really just enjoying it.
And the winner of the challenge, by complete surprise to me and hopefully to the guys, is